Hello everyone. So far in the Art of Storytelling series, we have understood what storytelling is, why it is powerful, the psychology behind it, the structure of great stories, and how stories work in business and personal life. Now we are moving into one of the most practical episode because storytelling is not just art. It is a tool. In episode 5, we are talking about storytelling for influence, sales, and leadership. If you want to influence people, sell ideas or products, lead teams or communities, this episode is for you. Welcome back to SSverse, your one-stop solution for smart learning, smart earning, and smart living. My name is Shahbaz Sultani. Let's enjoy the show. Chapter 1. Why influence is not about force. Let us start with the truth. You cannot force influence. You cannot demand trust. You cannot order belief. Influence happens when people feel understood, and stories do that naturally. Swart learned this the hard way. When he argued, people resisted. When he explained with facts, people forgot. When he told stories, people listened. Chapter 2. The difference between persuasion and influence. Persuasion pushes, influence pulls. Persuasion says, do this. Influence says, let me show something. Stories are not commands. Stories are invitations. That is why storytelling is the highest form of influence. Chapter 3. Storytelling in sales. Sell without selling. Most people hate sales because sales feels like pressure, but storytelling changes sales completely. Instead of saying this product is amazing, say one person was struggling with this problem. Stories shift focus from seller to customer, product to problem, price to value. Swart stopped selling features. He started sharing customer journeys, and sales become conversations. Chapter 4. The customer as the hero. Here is a golden rule of sales storytelling. You are not the hero. The customer is. Your role is the guide, just like mentor, coach, support system. When customers see themselves in the story, they trust the solution. Chapter 5. Storytelling for leadership. Leadership is not about position. It is about belief. People follow leaders who inspire them, understand them, give meaning to effort. Great leaders do not say, work harder. They say, let me tell you why this matters. Stories turn work into mission. Chapter 6. How leaders use stories to build culture. Rules create compliance. Stories create culture. A leader's story explains why the team exists, what value matters, what behavior is respected. Swart noticed that when he shared stories for effort, stories of effort and honesty, the team naturally followed those values. Chapter 7. Storytelling in negotiation. Negotiation is not about winning. It is about alignment. Stories help people understand your perspective, feel your reasoning, see long-term outcomes. When Swart explained his situation with the story, conversations become cooperative, not aggressive. Chapter 8. Emotional triggers in influence stories. Powerful influence stories use hope, fear, inspiration, belonging, but never manipulation. Authentic storytelling respects the listener's intelligence. Chapter 9. Storytelling for personal influence. Every time you speak, you are influencing. In interviews, in meetings, in daily conversations. Your stories decide how people perceive you, how much they trust you, how seriously they take you. Swart stopped saying, I am experienced. He started saying, I am learning faster than ever. Same truth, stronger influence. Chapter 9. The authenticity principle. Influence without honesty collapse. Never exaggerate stories. Never fake struggle. People sense authenticity instantly. The strongest influence comes from truth. Chapter 11. Storytelling for content and social media. Content that informs is ignored. Content that tells stories is shared. If you want attention, tell journeys, show struggle, share lessons. That is how creators grow communities, not just views. Chapter 12. Story framework for influence. Use this framework. Situation, what was happening. Problem, what went wrong. Emotion, how did it feel? Action, what was done? Result, what changed? Insight, what can others learn? This works in sales, leadership, interviews, content. Chapter 13. Practice exercise. Think of one moment where you convinced someone or failed to convince someone. Rewrite that moment as a story. You are training influence. Final message. Let me end with this. Influence is not about being loud. Sales is not about pushing. Leadership is not about control. All these are about connection, and connection is built through stories. In the final episode, we will talk about mastering storytelling as a life skill. This is Shahbaz Sultani, and remember, if you want to change minds, start with stories. I'll see you in episode 6. That episode will be final.